Hello and welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find a lot of videos related to WordPress and web development. You can check out the videos that I have posted here. In today's video, I will show you how to back up WordPress. To back up WordPress site, you go to Tools on the left hand side, you go to Export. What that will do is it will export all these tabs that you see here. It will export posts, it will export pages, it will export media. Click on all content, click on download export file. What that does is it starts downloading the file as you can see. Additionally, it will also download the categories that are found here. If we go to post and if we see categories, you see that these are all the categories. If you don't want a particular category, you can delete that category. This short video taught you how to back up a WordPress file. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know. The later step would be to import that file. If you go to import, you would be able to import the file from the WordPress importer. That's about it in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends if this was informative for you. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment on the video if you have any doubts. Thank you.